Can you set up Spectrum TV without coax cable? Absolutely. Spectrum offers several alternatives to the traditional coax connection. Instead of relying on coax to transmit cable signals, you can now leverage the internet. This is achieved through Ethernet connections, Wi-Fi enabled boxes, or by using the Spectrum TV app on streaming devices. First, using an Ethernet cable for a direct internet connection to your Spectrum box. Connecting a Spectrum box wirelessly via Wi-Fi. This option provides flexibility without cables. And streaming directly through the Spectrum TV app on devices like Roku, Apple TV, or smart TVs. This eliminates the need for any cable box. We'll briefly explain the pros and cons of each, setting the stage for a more detailed breakdown. Let's dive into how to set up Spectrum TV without coax using the options mentioned earlier. First, for Ethernet connection, ensure your Spectrum box supports Ethernet. Connect an Ethernet cable from your router to the LAN port on the box. Power on the box and follow the on-screen prompts or use the Spectrum Activation app. This offers a stable, wired IP connection, ideal for high-speed internet, 100 Mbps plus. For Wi-Fi setup, ensure your Spectrum box is Wi-Fi enabled. Navigate to the box's menu, Settings, Network, Wi-Fi. Select your Spectrum Network SSID and enter your Wi-Fi password. A strong 5 GHz Wi-Fi signal is recommended to minimize buffering. For streaming with the Spectrum TV app, download the Spectrum TV app on your Roku, Apple TV, Fire TV, or compatible smart TV. Log in with your Spectrum account credentials. This lets you stream live TV and on-demand content without a cable box or coax cable at all. Remember, a reliable internet connection, at least 25 Mbps for SD, 100 MB for HD 4K, is crucial for a smooth streaming experience. Also, consider WPA3 encryption for Wi-Fi setups to secure your network.